we got feeling so good. Stop it. Yeah, where's God? That's smoke.
Where's God?
Yeah. But how does the fire get up? Water.
Or wind?
Wind will spread it. I saw some sparks. I know, right? Look at the mini fires down there. It's funny. They're so cute. I don't know. I just like miniature things like that. The ones on the top, they're so big, but the ones down there, marshmallow. Yay! Look how big that is. Yeah, so big.
We want to. No.
Can I have,
Where?
can I have some, please? You also have to wash your hands a little bit.
Just one. There's 4 of you. Ladies first.
No. Tugaya.
Kabaya next. Can I sit down?
Oh my gosh, it's so toasty.
So big.
Oh my gosh, it's on fire. Careful with the stick. It's on fire.
You have to clear. Be careful sa mirror.
It's very warm right now. It's on fire. Thank you. Record this. No, I'm not gonna.
Let's see how
I'm so scared.
Saan na tayo?
Ikaw pa ba kung nasuan, ha?
Marcel, request na yun to, tulungan mo na lang siya.
Even me, I'm so scared.
Kanina,
I wanna try.
request kasi hindi ka kanta.
Try it. I'm too scared to do it. I'm a little bit scared. Daddy, can you help me? It's so hot. Oh, I feel like I'm on fire right now. Careful.
Ay! Aray ko, matinik pala yun. Matinik pala yun. Yeah.
It's like I have a hot fever. The stick is getting burned, but the marshmallow no.
No, I'm gonna make
Why is it
separate.
getting burnt? How is that? My marshmallow's not getting burnt. There's fire! There's fire! There's fire! Wow! Look, magic trick! Sophie! I have a glove. It just touched the stick.
This is already cooked. Yan na. This is already cooked.
Yeah.
Just have to
Very good. There you go.
Which one is mine?
No, that's enough.
I'm so scared, but also so excited.
Wait, this is
How
for the
does
s'mores.
wood make
Oh,
fire?
yeah, this is for the s'mores. Oh, this is the one.
Whoa!
Yeah, this is smaller one. You can use that.
But I'm scared. We'll have a we'll have a wicked area.
This is for the kids. This one fire.
I wish I had a glove. Oh my gosh. Ah! Mom! I wish I got a glove.
Burnt. It's burnt to death.
I'm too scared. I'm just too scared.
Want me to do it for you?
Because I don't like fire. So much.